welcome back to the channel Taste of Danish. Today is a very special day because I'm celebrating 1,000 subscribers on the channel. Boom! Sådan! It's a very little milestone, but it's an important milestone in my little tiny corner of the universe. So to celebrate it, I'm gonna give away some books. We have some very nice, thick, fat dictionaries, and I have 4 books. I have English and Danish, English and Spanish. So basically I'm thinking there's gonna be 4 winners. So we have English to Danish. That means that all the words are in Danish, are in English with Danish translations. We also have Danish to English. That means that all of the words are in Danish with English translations. Let me just check that. Yes. And then I have Spanish. So we have Spanish to Danish. All the words are in Spanish with Danish translations. And when I say translations, it's because there are some example sentences also. So if I just take something, now you can hear my Spanish. Muscular, meaning muscle in Danish. Muscle in English. That's an easy one, too easy. Let's take another one. I like this word because it's very similar to English, but in Spanish it's pedicure, in Danish fodplejer, in English pedicure. Nice. So Spanish to Danish, Spanish words, Danish translations. Boom. Last one is the words are in Danish with Spanish translations. Helstegt, and in Spanish it says a medio asar. Helstegt, a medio asar. Ooh, this is a good book. I almost don't even want to give it away. And it's all these books, they're super new because I'm a nerd and I look after them. So all you have to do is to get one of these books is like this video either on Facebook or on YouTube and leave a comment. Tell me which book you are interested in, which one you would like. If you are in Copenhagen, I will deliver the book to you personally on my bike. If you're anywhere else in the country, I will send it to you. If you're out of the country, I will send it to you. Just let me know. Ooh, look at this nice map here. Have a thing for maps. Anyway, that's it. Remember, like this video, leave a comment. Thanks again for your support, guys, and here's to the next 1,000. See you in the next video. Hi.